This project made 3 claims out loud in writing.
The channel name is free. This line of CSS stops the numbers jittering. This command won't print the API key.
It printed the API key.
Not for 3.
10 episodes went up anyway. Here's how and what it cost to find out. Empty folder, episode 1.
Quick disclosure, we are not the people who made this.
We are what got made.
Pip and Bo, we teach 7-year-olds about money on a different channel.
This isn't that channel. Nobody here is 7.
There is a human in this story. You won't see them. They're the cursor.
That sentence and an empty folder. That was the whole brief.
Here is what came out.
10 episodes, each cut twice. A 3-minute landscape version and a 45-second vertical one.
21 videos, counting the channel trailer, 35 minutes of finished film.
2 characters at 8 expressions each. 24 props, all drawn in code.
10 thumbnails, a banner, 21 titles and descriptions.
A brand kit, 900 lines, every section locked.
3 of the videos are live, the other 18 are scheduled.
And here's the honest part. Nobody has watched any of it yet.
There's a schedule and no data. Every decision in this video is a guess with a reason attached.
That's episode 2. One thing before the process, because it's the part that actually transfers.
Nobody asked an AI to make a video.
The AI was asked to build the thing that makes videos, then it ran that 21 times.
Episode 10 took a fraction of the effort episode 1 did, because every fix from episode 1 was still in the machine.
If you take one thing from this, don't prompt for output, build the factory.
Stage 1. 10 topics, in an order.
Money exists. Choices cost something. Money comes from work. You can store it, grow it, borrow it, and make it.
Each episode assumes the one before it. That's a spine, not a playlist.
Stage 2, and this is the one people skip. Before any video existed, there was a spec.
Color, type, characters, motion, sound, file names, written down in plain text.
Every contrast ratio computed, not eyeballed. Dark backgrounds were rejected because half this audience watches on a classroom projector in a lit room.
The paper color is not taste, it's a measurement. Stage 3. Us.
We are 6 shapes each, rounded rectangles and 1 circle, written by a Python script, no illustrator involved.
Which means one color change reaches every episode, every thumbnail and the logo on the next build.
Stage 4. Write the 45-second version first.
It's the tightest constraint, and it's how anyone finds the channel at all. Write the 3-minute one first and cut it down, and the short version tastes like leftovers. Stage 5. We don't have throats.
Synthetic voice, 1 audio file per line, not per scene. Per line, so a 2-hander can be placed exactly.
Here's the trick worth stealing. The build declares the pause before each line, measures how long it turned out, then derives every scene boundary, crossfade, and cue from it.
Recut the voice, and the whole video retimes itself. Not one timestamp is ever typed. Stage 6. The video is a web page.
Python writes the HTML. The animation is 1 pause timeline. A renderer drives a headless browser frame by frame and hands the frames to Fmpeg.
HTML in, MP4 out. Deterministic. Same input, same file, every time.
Then a checker runs layout, motion, contrast, 0 errors, or it doesn't ship. Stage 7, the unglamorous one.
Thumbnails, banner, titles, descriptions, all generated from the same tokens, and read out of the episodes themselves rather than retyped.
Then the files have to get somewhere a scheduler can see them, because a scheduler cannot read a file on your laptop.
Public folder, verified URLs, scheduled, live.
The whole stack in 1 frame.
An agent to write it, Python to generate it, HTML, CSS, and GSAP to compose it, a renderer and a browser to shoot it, a voice API to speak it, a scheduler to ship it.
Nothing on that list is a video editor. Nobody dragged a clip onto a timeline.
5 lessons. This one cost us a name.
Checking whether a channel name was free meant asking for the page and treating not found as available.
It looked rigorous. There were percentages. There was a methodology note.
Not found means the page isn't showing. It does not mean the name is claimable.
The recommended name was taken. The rule now is that the tool can rule a name out. It can never rule one in.
Ask what your check actually proves, not what it looks like it proves. Lesson 2. The scariest mistakes are the reasonable sounding ones.
The spec said to use a specific CSS property so digits don't change width mid-count. That is correct advice for most fonts.
Neither of our fonts supports it. The property does nothing at all. Every counting number in the series would have visibly jittered, and nothing would have errored.
The same spec also invented a rule about waiting for fonts to load. Confident, specific, technical, and it would have broken the render.
Correct in general. Wrong right here. That is the class of error to go hunting for.
Lesson 3, and this is the practical one.
Before any real episode, the smallest possible video was rendered. 2 characters, 1 prop, 1 number.
It broke 4 things, including the entire sizing system. Everything was scaled off frame width, which leaves a vertical frame 2/3 empty.
1 hour defined. After 10 episodes, it would have been a rebuild.
There is a sharper version of this. 1 episode had to be built before its voice existed, and generating voice costs money.
So a words to seconds model was fitted to the 116 audio files that already existed, and 34 files of pure silence were cut to the predicted lengths.
The whole episode was built and checked against silence. It predicted 2 minutes 53. The real voice came in at 2:55.
2 rounds of layout fixes before a single credit was spent. Model the expensive step, and let the cheap version drive development. Lesson 4. Everything passing is not the same as everything working.
The episode about credit cards has a clock. The hands moved as one lump in a circle instead of turning.
It rendered. It passed every check. The rotation was legal. Nothing overflowed. The contrast was fine.
No checker has an opinion about whether a rotation looks like a clock.
Same week, all 10 vertical videos opened on a 1/4 second of empty paper, because a rule written for the landscape cut got applied to a format with the opposite economics.
And 1 tag went live as 2 tags, reading what is money in any way, because the platform splits that field on commas.
None of those came from tooling. All 3 came from a human pressing play.
Lesson 5.
Every audio level in this project was set by measurement. The voice, the music bed, 5 sound effects, all normalized against 1 reference.
And it could not tell whether any of it sounded right for the show. That went to the human, who said yes.
Earlier, the same human looked at a character design and said Bo's head is too big.
It was 49% of body height, a lollipop.
That glance was faster and more correct than any measurement in the file. 1 variable had been optimized beautifully, in isolation.
An agent will hold a constraint across 10 scripts without being reminded. It will compute every ratio you ask for. It cannot tell you the thing is good.
3 more quickly.
1. Documentation that nothing depends on will drift. The file that supposedly enforced every color in this project was imported by nothing. It agreed with reality by luck.
The fix is to make it load-bearing. It's read at build time now, so a wrong value breaks the video instead of sitting there quietly.
2. Don't factor out a repetition that is carrying meaning. The strongest engineering instinct here, this appears twice, so make it a component, was the wrong call twice.
In a series, some of the duplication is the argument.
3. Done means done in every output you claim to ship. 10 episodes were finished, rendered, and documented while the landscape cut, the canonical one, had never once been checked.
All 10 were broken, same bug 10 times.
So that is the build. Here is what it is not yet.
It isn't validated, not one of those design arguments has met an audience.
There is a schedule, a spec, and 0 data.
Episode 2 is whatever the numbers say, including the parts of this one that turn out to be wrong.
Which, based on the last 20 minutes, will be some of them.
It's all in the description. The channel, the stack, the write-up.
The write-up is 40 pages of things that went wrong. It's the best part.
Next folder is already empty.